This wooded vacant lot is ready to build your home or place to get away to on. Nestled between mature trees, there is a perfect building site for your home. Located in the Timber Ridge neighborhood, you will be amazed at what is all offered to you as a resident. Private paved roads lead you to it all. Enjoy your morning walks through miles of roads that are easy to take a stroll on. The property offers easy access to the Bearskin State Trail for biking, walking and snowmobiling. Bicyclists, hikers, and snowmobilers can disappear into the woods on a mostly crushed gravel trail that runs for some 26 miles between Minocqua and Heifer Junction. And access to that trail is right there in your own backyard.